Hi everyone, my name is Gail. I'm with Red Apple Lipstick and I wanted to share with you today some tips with using our Primetime eyeshadow primer. So some might be asking the question, why do I need the primer? What is it used for? So the Primetime eyeshadow primer is going to help with creasing in your eyeshadows. So if you look in the mirror late afternoon, you find your eyeshadow is completely gone, or you get that crease in the center. The Primetime eyeshadow is great at preventing that midday crease. So the other thing that it can help do is to diminish any natural discolorations that might be on the eyelid or around the eye. So I'm going to share with you today how I use the primer and that I have found what works best for me. So I naturally have oily eyelids. So what I like to do after I've cleansed my face, before I put my foundation on or anything like that, I go ahead and I use oil absorbing blotting tissue. This helps to remove any of the natural oils on my eyelid, any oils or creaminess that might be left over from serums or lotions, things like that. So I'll just go ahead and kind of dab the eyelid to help remove any of those oils. One thing that you definitely want to know about this particular primer is it does not take a lot at all. So when I say a small amount, I really literally mean a very small amount. You can use your pinky finger or your ring finger. I prefer my ring finger because I feel like I have a little bit more control with that finger. And you're not pressing your finger into the product. I'm literally laying my finger right on top of the product, and I'm going to just do one circular motion, just one little swoop around inside here, and then that's literally all you need. So then to apply it, I just take that finger and I'm dabbing it onto the eyelid. I'm blending it out and in the corner, because what this does, it can help brighten and lighten the eyes and remove any maybe of the dark circles that you might have in the corner. And I'm just working it in all the way up to the brow bone and all the way around. You can bring it out and come down under the eye. This will help to diminish any maybe dark circles that you might have, anything like that. Now, one thing I'd like to share about the primer is that it's not a pressed powder and it's not necessarily like a liquid cream. It is just this beautiful, soft, buttery finish. It's super lightweight. So when you feel it on your hands, it almost like disappears into the skin. It's so, so nice. So once I have worked this in and blended it onto my eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Now you don't have to time it necessarily, but somewhere around about a minute, just go ahead and let it rest. I move on from there to either filling in my eyebrows or putting on my blush, and then I'll go ahead and return to apply my eyeshadow. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you liked the video today, please give it a thumbs up, and for more content, be sure to subscribe. Take care. Bye.